Hi, Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and today we're on the Island Princess. And this is Deck 5 in the Princess Plaza, they call it. Not the Piazza, but the Princess Plaza. So let's take a spin around here. We're going to go all the way up to there. It's up to Deck 8. So this is the Bordeaux dining room here. And this is guest services. And that's Ivan.
Yes, Ivan.
Hi.
Hi.
And so this is Good Spirits. They used to have La Patisserie here, but now it's Good Spirits. All the rest of this is passenger cabins and bathrooms. So let's go up to Deck 6. This is where most of the shops are. So here's your Meridian Bay. Watches, a little bit of jewelry, a lot of makeup. And the Provence dining room, which is not open in the mornings. I have to wear a mask, so I've pulled it off now because there's nobody around here. And then this is Calypso Cove. Clothing, sundries, liquor. So we're going to leave the Princess Plaza for a moment and take a quick spin out here because it's the Princess Casino. And they probably don't want me to record in here, but I imagine there's not anybody here other than people hanging out. So this, and they are playing music really loud. So this is the Princess Casino. That's the end of it right there. It's not like I'm not seeing all of it. That's all of it. Very small. This is the casino bar. This is the photo area, and that's Gareth. Hi, Gareth. Yeah, there's a few of us around, and they sell GoPro Hero 10s. You should buy one. Explorers Lounge. This is the Explorers Lounge, and they're playing loud music too, and they're getting ready for Zumba here in a few minutes, I think. But this is where we have the elite parties every evening. And then if you go back there further, it's the gym, fitness center. But let's not. Let's go forward. So, the Island Princess, I believe, was built in 2003. It carries like 2,200 passengers at double occupancy. Not that any of that matters. It's only 93,000 ton. So it's the second smallest princess ship. Its sister ship, the Coral Princess, is a little bit smaller because the Coral Princess didn't add cabins a few years ago. In this ship they added cabins in the back. Oh, and this is the last of the stores. There's only 3. And this is Effie or Facets, whatever you want to call it. And so now we are back to the Princess Plaza, and we're going to go up a little more to Deck 7. Now, Deck 7, there is a lot more to do. It's the main front to back, I guess you could say. So, first thing is Wheelhouse Bar. Sorry about that. These masks give me the sniffles. And then Crooner's Bar. And they have people playing music here every afternoon, evening. It's early morning. Piano. Churchill Cigar Lounge. And we're going to go all the way back first, and then all the way forward. Hi. So, midship elevator stairways. Right here we have the art gallery, the fine arts gallery. And they are always taking pictures out of there and putting them back. This is Sabatini's Italian Trattoria. And I think they do breakfast for the suites in there or something. But it's a $25 cover charge at night. And then we're coming up to the Bayou Cafe and Steakhouse. And they've got it roped off. And it's the entrance to something. I have no idea what's going on here. This is the Bayou Cafe and Steakhouse. And then there's cabins aft. So I'm gonna move forward. And we're gonna have to pass some of the things we already saw. You know what? Let's go outside. Onto the promenade. This is Deck 7 Promenade. So, it's sometimes hard to get out because of the winds. Not today. So, this is the first sunny day in a week or so. The coast of England is on the other side of the ship, port side. Now, the problem with the promenade here, as you saw, we can't go aft anymore because there's cabins there now. You can go around the front of the ship, but it's all enclosed. There's no open spaces in the front of the ship. So if you want to be the king of the world, you're going to have to go somewhere else to do that. I see an issue here. Anywho, I don't see. Oh, there's the way in. This is the kind of chair they have out here. I haven't seen any other chairs out here. Go back in. Oh. So here we are back at Churchill's and the Princess Plaza. See there? Let's walk around this way. This is Crooners again. I'm not going up here because I want to show you what the rest of Deck 7 is. And it's going to be the Wheelhouse Bar, which we passed by earlier. And now we're going to go inside. And it's big. And they have trivia in here. And it is packed for trivia. So as big as it is, it's not big enough. But here's the dance floor. I've not seen, oh yeah, I have seen people dancing here. And they have a bar. And you can walk through, you can also go out that way. And then at the end of this is the Princess Theater. And these guys. Hi. And it's a nice theater, but there's only two entrances, this one and the one on the starboard side. And they've got television screens set up down there. Oh, they're going to do the cooking demo, I think. So we're going to get out of here because of the music, but that's the Princess Theater. They put on some great shows. We're going to go up to Deck 8. But first, let's go back over here. There's the performers. Princess Theater. So this is the hallway, passageway, promenade. Outside, inside, Wheelhouse Bar. You see that? We're going to go up one more deck, circle around, and be done. Most princess ships have 3 decks in the piazza, but in the plaza there's 4 decks. So, but it's narrower. It's a tighter radius circle. Hi there. And so here's the internet cafe. The internet hasn't worked in a week or more. And they have more internet cafe on the other side. And they actually have computers you can use. But the internet's not working. This is the Future Cruise Center and the shore excursion desk. You look in here. These people are waiting. And then on this side is something you don't see too much on ships anymore, these newer ones, the library. And there's tables and chairs in there, and tables and chairs there, and books, and lots of books. And outside. So, from the Island Princess, this is Gareth from Port Monkeys saying, Port Monkeys out. See you in the next port. Bye.